Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening the workbook and immediately navigating to File Options. This puts settings at your fingertips. Once there, click Advanced and scroll to the Display area. You're focusing on sheet direction. Change the workbook view or specific sheet orientation to right to left. This flips column order and text alignment where Excel supports RTL. Make sure to save the workbook after confirming the change so default layout persists. And note that some templates retain original direction until manually updated. Once you've enabled RTL, go sheet by sheet and right-click the tab to set that individual sheets display to right to left. This ensures precise control. You'll also adjust column alignment and frozen panes so navigation feels natural, and move table fields or pivot table layouts if they relied on left-to-right ordering. Check headers and formulas carefully. Relative references don't change direction, but visual order does. So update named ranges or validation lists as needed to avoid broken links. Finish by saving a new copy, so you keep an LTR original while testing RTL behavior. This prevents accidental loss. Then preview printing and adjust page setup because margins and headers often require swapping to match RTL. If something looks wrong, tables misaligned, formats lost, reapply right to left on specific sheets or restore the saved original. You can also toggle Excel display language or regional settings as a last resort. Remember, small layout fixes are usually quicker than rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.